Grade 9 Geography, last lesson, 5th lesson, reading 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. Reading 1 to 50,000
Miss ada geography විතරයිද කරන්නේ?
topographic map of Sri Lanka. Okay, topographic maps. You learn about topographic maps in grade 7, 8 also. You learn about topographic maps 1 to 50,000 topographic maps in grade 7 and 6, 8 also. But now also we have
වලත් කරා නේද?
furthermore. Yes. These
Miss
are,
6 වලත් තිබ්බා.
yes. 6 වලදී චුට්ටක් තිබ්බා ඒක introducing maps, very small lesson. It is not about the topographic maps. But since grade 7, you learn about 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. This is a topographic map. Part of this is a topographic map of Sri Lanka. මේක එක සිතියමක් නේද? එක සිතියමක්. In grade 8, you learn there are 92 map sheets in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has been divided into 92 map sheets. Grade 8 වලදී ඉගෙන ගත්ත එක ආපහු චුට්ටක් මතක් කරගමු. There are 92 parts. Sri Lanka has been divided into 92 map sheets. 92 map sheets, 92 map parts. Each part is known as a map sheet. මේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාවම 92කට බෙදලා තියෙනවා. මේ එකකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ map sheet එකක් කියලා. According to this map, you can understand what are the main features of a topographic maps. You can identify according to this map. Here, this area is called as map face. Here, map face. These are borders, inner borders and outer borders of the map. Here, this area is called as upper boundary and lower boundary. Here upper boundary, here lower boundary. ඔගොල්ලන්ගේ පුතේ metric maps ලියන්න මම වෙනම පොතක් ගන්න කියලා තියෙනවා. ඒ පොත දැන් ගන්න. Do we have that book that you use in grade 8?
Madam, පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න පොත අරන් එනකම්.
Okay, you take it. I told you to use one book for metric maps from grade 7 to grade 11. So you can use that book today also. You can identify the basic features of a map according to this picture, this map. This area is called as map face. Map face. Map face. And here, inner border and outer border also. Here, inner border, outer border. Upper margin of the outer border, this area, upper margin of the outer border. Here, this area is called as lower margin of the outer border. Map එකේ පහළ සීමාව. Lower margin of the outer border. This line, you can see here line. This one is called as neat line. Neat line. This line is called as neat line. Neat line. There are various type of physical features and cultural features on the map face. Map face එකේ පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දැන් පේනවා මේ මම පෙන්නන map එක. You can understand according to this map there are cultural features and physical features on the map face. පුතේ මේ map face එකේ තමයි cultural features physical features දකින්න ලැබෙන්නේ. What are the type of cultural features that can be seen in the map face? What are the example for cultural features? What are the example for cultural features? What are the example for cultural features? Map face එක තියෙන්න පුළුවන් cultural features වලට example මොනවද? What are the example for cultural features? Can you give me example for cultural features? What are the example for cultural features?
Boundaries.
Cultural features, boundaries, very good. Very good.
Roads.
Roads. Yes, roads.
Vegetation.
Vegetation.
Railways.
Yes. Cultivated
Drainage.
lands. Not vegetation. Cultivated lands.
Expressways.
Expressways.
Relief.
Railways, yes.
Plantations.
Settlements.
Plantation. That's mean cultivated land, not natural thing. Cultivated lands. What are the other things which belong to cultural features?
Waterways.
Water is
Drainage.
natural thing. Waterways, natural.
Irrigation systems.
But irrigation canal, Varial irrigation canal is called as cultural feature.
Railway road.
Railway roads.
Temples.
Yes, temple, hospital,
Religious places.
church, post office.
School.
Huh?
School.
School.
Yes. All the
City.
government building. Government building, police station, court, post office, school.
Build up areas.
Popular places.
Yes, build up areas. Build up areas. Yes.
Places
House-
of interest.
That means settlements, Janavas, settlements. These all are belong to cultural features.
World heritages.
Yes, cultural features. These are also cultural features. That's mean these are historical places. I think you mean historical places, no?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What is another important cultural feature? You can see in this map also. Cultural feature. What are the other cultural features? You can see in this map also.
Madam, tanks.
Very good. Tanks. Tanks. Here tanks. Tanks. These are cultural features. Tanks. Administrative boundaries, roads, settlements, cultivated lands, government building. Government building belong to cultural features. Cultural features. Then what are the physical features? What are the natural things that can be seen in a map face? What are the physical
Mountains.
features? Mountains,
valleys, mountain range, gaps,
Mountain
plateau,
ranges,
Plateaus.
plateaus,
plains,
waterfalls,
Highlands. Highlands.
highlands, yes, rivers,
Tropical areas.
eh, forests, yes, forests. What are the other physical features? Steep slope, gentle slope,
Gaps.
escarpment, gaps, waterfalls,
plateaus,
streams, plateaus,
plains,
plains,
Rivers.
rivers. Sea area, yes,
lagoon,
lagoons,
Mangrove lands.
mangrove plants. These all are belong to physical features. Physical features. 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. There are two types of information. Information on the map face and peripheral information. මේ වටේට තියෙන තොරතුරු කියලා අපිට වර්ග දෙකකට වෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන්. 1 to 50,000 topography maps we can divide into two as information on the map face and peripheral information. Now we discuss about the information on the map face. Now we discuss about the information on the map face. What are the peripheral information? What are the type of information? Peripheral information. These information we can divide into two as upper margin of the outer border. This area is called as upper margin of the outer border as well as lower margin of the outer border. Upper margin of the outer border, lower margin of the outer border. මේ පාඩම ගොඩාක් වැදගත් පුතේ. This lesson is very important for you because in O-level paper this is a compulsory question. You have to write answer for this question. This question is included in part 2 paper first question. Part 2 paper first question, first compulsory question. So you have this lesson is very important for you. මේක දෙවනි පත්‍රයේ පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ දෙවනි පත්‍රයේ කොටස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Part 2 paper also we can part 2 paper also there are two parts of part 2 paper. First part is compulsory. Part 2 paper එකේ කොටස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Part 1 part 2 කියලා. Part 1 is compulsory metric map, world map, Sri Lankan map. So this question compulsory. So I think this is very easy for you. Very easy. Information on the map face and peripheral information. Peripheral information also there are two types. Upper margin of the outer border. Here this area is called as upper margin of the outer border. Can you see this area? Can you see this area? Upper margin of the outer border. Here this area is called as lower margin of the outer border. Lower margin of the outer border. This area is called as lower margin of the outer border. Lower margin of the outer border, there are scales. This line, can you see this line? Linear scale. Scale on upper margin, lower margin එකේ අපිට දකින්න ලැබෙන තොරතුරු ටික ගැන අපි discuss කරන්න පුතේ. Here scale and direction. Here figure showing the direction. Figure showing the direction. Figure showing You can see here direction. Here direction, then figure showing the adjacent map. Can you understand that one? Figure showing the adjacent map. යාබද සිතියම් පෙන්වන රූප සටහන here. දැන් මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන මේ මැද තියෙන මැප් එක වටේට තියෙන්නේ මොනවද කියලා තමයි ඒකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ. Figure showing the adjacent map. Now you think here this map Colombo map sheet. ඔන්න මේ මැද තියෙන Colombo map sheet කියලා හිතමුකෝ. Colombo map sheet එක map sheet number 66. Colombo 66. Then this side, north side, Nigambu 59, south side, Kalutara 73, then east side, Avisavela 67, Avisavela 67, Colombo map sheet එකේ west side එකේ map sheet එකක් නැහැ, only ocean. There's no map sheet. So you think here K-Gold map sheet? Polgahawela also belong to K-Gold map sheet. You think here K-Gold? ඔන්න දැන් මේ තියෙන K-Gold map sheet එක නම් north side Kurunagala K-Gold map sheet 53. K-Gold map sheet number 53, sheet name K-Gold. North side Kurunagala 47. ඒක තමයි මෙන්න මේ figure එකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ. ඒක තමයි මම මේ කියලා දෙන්නේ පුතේ. Kurunagala 47, south side Attanagalla 60. South side, here south side, Attanagalla 60, east side, Kandy. East side, Kandy map sheet, 54. 54. West side, Kochikade, 52. West side, Kochikade, 52. This figure is called as figure showing the adjacent map. Figure showing the adjacent maps. Then administrative boundaries. ඔන්න දැන් මෙන්න මේ area එකේ තියෙනවා administrative boundaries. මොනවද මේ map එකේ භාවිතා කරලා තියෙන්නේ කියන එක දක්වලා තියෙනවා. Administrative boundaries. Symbols තමයි මේ පහලින් map sheet එකේ පල්ලෙහා දක්වලා තියෙන්නේ. Then boundaries, administrative boundaries, key. Here key. Other all the symbols. Other all the symbols. Okay. These are the information of 1 to 50,000 topography maps. We discuss about this one, information on the map face, peripheral information. Information on the map face, there are two types, physical features, cultural features. Peripheral information, upper margin of the outer border, lower margin of the outer border. As well as we discuss about the features of a topographic maps. The natural features we discuss about them. Landforms, rivers, forests, rocks, grasslands. These are called as natural features. The features made by nature. the features made by nature. Man-made features, that's mean cultural features, the features made by man. Administrative boundaries, roads, railway, settlements, cultivated lands, government, building. We have discussed about them before this. As well as now you know about the scale of the 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. I think you have you know about them also. In grade 8 lesson, we learned about the scale also. Grade 8 වලදී ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ටික කරා නේද පුතේ? මතකයි නේද? Huh?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What is the scale here? This is what is the scale?